Welcome to the project demonstration of water quality monitoring system through IoT using Arduino Uno. So in this project we are going to monitor the water quality parameters like pH and temperature from DS18B20. It's a waterproof resistance sensor, and next pH sensor, and next turbidity sensor. We'll get the turbidity values, and next conductivity based on the EC electron conductivity. Based on the conductivity between these two electrodes, we are going to find the EC value, and next DO, so the dissolved oxygen from this sensor. So here the parameters for the conductivity sensor is it's going to be the microseconds per centimeter, and DO is going to be the milligrams per liter, pH directly 0 to 14 value, temperature in degrees centigrade, and turbidity in NTU, national thermometric units. So these 5 parameters continuously monitored by Arduino Uno board. So from here, and next we are going to display the respective values on the 16:2 LCD screen. For every 1 second it will displaying the values. So initially like pH, temperature, and the next screen the remaining values will be displayed, and the next the so-called data will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform with help of Wi-Fi module. So here we are using ESP8266 module. So all are interfaced to the Arduino Uno board. So to this ThinkSpeak, right. So after logging that, so we need to go to the channels, my channel. So it will display like this, and just log into that, touch on that channel. So we will get the values here. So while we are scrolling in mobile phone, so don't touch on the blue tab, so just in between that. So not on the graph, neither on the blue tab. So we will get the total 5 parameters. So DO, milligrams per liter, turbidity, NTU, conductivity, microseconds per centimeter, and pH value, and the next temperature in degrees centigrade. So these are the previous values which we got uploaded into this. So now next, coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced these modules along with the driver boards to our Uno board. So A0 for pH sensor, and next A1 is going to be the turbidity, A2 for DO sensor, A3 for the conductivity sensor, and 10th pin for our temperature sensor. So this one is the breadboard. In order to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout this input and output modules, we are making use of this breadboard. And the next, these two are the driver boards for pH and DO. So the LCD interfaced at the pin number 2 to pin number 7, and Wi-Fi module at pin number 8 and 9. So before switching on the kit, so just go to hotspot settings of your Android phone. So if you are testing this in your iPhone, you need to change the iPhone name. So change that name to Water Project. Remember that all are small letters without any space, and the next password should be 123456789, and the next AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. These 3 are very important before switch on the kit. So select that and switch on the hotspot. Now you can see zero device is connected. So then you can connect this USB cable to any 5 volts 2 amp adapter. So now I'm using 5 volt 1 amp. So directly you can unplug this. You can use that to the laptop if it can drive up to 1 amp current. Otherwise you can use 5 volts output should be there, at least of 1 amp current, and now provide the input to that. So now welcome message. So we can see that one device will be connected here, right. We see that one device will be connected, and the next stay on the ThinkSpeak screen, and you can dip these electrodes. Before dipping that, remove the caps from these 2 sensors gently, right. So we should wipe these 2 electrodes with tissue paper, then only we'll get the exact current values. So we can see the data. So pH is 6. It will keep on increasing time by time. It will take around of 1 minute to stabilize that pH value, and turbidity, EC values. So initially on the first screen pH, temperature, and the next EC value is displayed, and the next screen DO and turbidity value displayed. So we are getting the data into ThinkSpeak. So when touching on that, we can see the date and time and the parameter value. So if you want to get the fresh data and if you want to get to download this data, so then go to data import exports. In that, download. So it will be downloaded and it will be open in CSV, nothing but Excel sheet format. Right. So we are getting how many entries till now we taken, and as we discussed, initial is temperature, pH value, and next field 3 is going to be the turbidity. Let us see that. So let us see here, field 1 temperature, field 2 pH, field 3 is a like conductivity, and field 4 is turbidity and EC DO, sorry. So they are the same values here we are getting till the field 5. So after you downloaded that, then go to next channel settings. So data import export for to download that, channel settings to clear the channel. In that only do clear channel, don't do any other things, only clear channel. If you change any things, then the system won't respond to the respective channel. So only clear channel, and then after go to private view. So there we can see the old data got erased and we'll get the new fresh data. If you can see this in a laptop, directly you can get that. So wait for 15 seconds because ThinkSpeak can accept the data for every 15 seconds only, right? We got the new data here. Right. So as we are using like bore water, so as it's showing the pH value of 8.5. So you can see that it's keep on uploading the data till you switch off the kits. It's uploading the data to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform for every 15 seconds of duration. Thank you.